Are you struggling with thinning hair and searching for the best shampoo to help you regain your hair's fullness and vitality? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best shampoos specifically designed to combat hair thinning. We'll explore the key features, benefits, and usage of each product, helping you make an informed decision. Whether you're dealing with hair loss or just want to strengthen and densify your hair, these shampoos are worth considering. Stay tuned as we reveal the best shampoos for thinning hair, from number 1 to 5. Kicking off our list at number 1, Nioxin System 2 Cleanser Shampoo. The Nioxin System 2 Cleanser Shampoo is a well-regarded solution for those facing thinning hair. It's part of a complete system designed to improve the hair and scalp health of individuals with fine, noticeably thinning hair. This shampoo is formulated to cleanse the scalp while reducing hair loss due to breakage, making it an excellent choice for those beginning to notice signs of thinning. Key features: the Nioxin System 2 Cleanser Shampoo features a lightweight formula enriched with bioamp technology, which strengthens hair and reduces breakage. It also includes a blend of botanicals and humectants that help remove follicle-clogging sebum, fatty acids, and environmental residues. This shampoo is specifically designed for natural hair, providing a refreshed scalp environment that promotes healthy hair growth. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of this shampoo is its ability to create an optimal scalp environment for thicker, fuller-looking hair. Regular use helps to strengthen hair strands, reduce hair fall due to breakage, and remove impurities from the scalp. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, gently massage into the scalp and hair, then rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow up with the Nioxin System 2 Scalp Therapy Conditioner. Usability: Nioxin System 2 Cleanser Shampoo is ideal for individuals with fine, thinning hair who are looking for a targeted solution to improve scalp health and hair density. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine and works best when used consistently as part of the full Nioxin System 2 regimen. The formula is gentle enough for everyday use, making it a practical choice for ongoing scalp and hair care. Durability: the Nioxin System 2 Cleanser Shampoo comes in a sturdy bottle that protects the formula from exposure to light and air, ensuring its efficacy over time. With regular use, a single bottle can last for several weeks, making it a cost-effective option for those committed to improving their hair's appearance and health. The formula's long-lasting effects on hair thickness and scalp health make it a durable solution for thinning hair. In the second spot, we have Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Densifying Shampoo. The Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Densifying Shampoo is a powerful choice for anyone dealing with thinning hair. It's designed to work in tandem with the Viviscal supplements to promote thicker, fuller hair growth. This shampoo is packed with a unique blend of ingredients that nourish the hair and scalp, making it a key player in any hair thickening regimen. Key features: this shampoo features a proprietary complex that includes clinically tested ingredients derived from natural sources, such as pea sprouts. The formula is also enriched with biotin, zinc, and keratin, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair. Together, these ingredients help to strengthen existing hair and promote the growth of thicker, healthier strands. Benefits and usage: Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Densifying Shampoo provides numerous benefits, including enhanced hair thickness, reduced hair shedding, and improved scalp health. To use, apply a generous amount of shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp and roots for a few minutes, and rinse thoroughly. For optimal results, it's recommended to use this shampoo alongside Viviscal supplements and the Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Densifying Conditioner. Usability: this shampoo is suitable for all hair types and can be used daily. It's particularly effective for those who are noticing the early signs of thinning hair or who want to maintain the density of their existing hair. The formula is gentle enough for regular use and leaves the hair feeling clean, light, and refreshed, making it a practical choice for everyday hair care. Durability: the Viviscal Gorgeous Growth Densifying Shampoo is packaged in a convenient, easy-to-use bottle that preserves the integrity of the formula. A single bottle provides enough product for several weeks of consistent use, depending on the frequency of use and hair length. The long-lasting benefits of thicker, fuller hair make this shampoo a durable investment in your hair care routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Bumble and Bumble Full Potential Shampoo. The Bumble and Bumble Full Potential Shampoo is a fortifying cleanser that targets thinning and breakage-prone hair. Designed to invigorate and energize the scalp, this shampoo helps create an environment conducive to healthier hair growth. It's an excellent choice for those looking to boost hair strength and resilience. Key features: this shampoo is formulated with Bumble and Bumble's unique hair preserve blend, which combines creatine, menthol, and UV absorbers. The blend works to fortify and protect the hair against the damaging effects of daily styling and environmental stressors. It also features invigorating notes of menthol that leave the scalp feeling refreshed and revitalized. Benefits and usage: the Bumble and Bumble Full Potential Shampoo offers multiple benefits, including the reduction of hair loss due to breakage and an increase in hair strength and density. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage gently into the scalp to stimulate circulation, and rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow with the Bumble and Bumble Full Potential Conditioner and Booster Spray. Usability: this shampoo is ideal for anyone experiencing hair thinning or breakage and is suitable for all hair types. It's particularly beneficial for those who frequently style their hair with heat tools or who have color-treated hair. The gentle formula makes it suitable for daily use, helping to maintain hair strength and vitality over time. Durability: the Bumble and Bumble Full Potential Shampoo is housed in a durable, travel-friendly bottle that ensures the product stays fresh and effective. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula, so a single bottle can last for an extended period. The long-term benefits of stronger, more resilient hair make this shampoo a worthwhile addition to any hair care routine. Taking our 4th spot is Revita High Performance Hair Stimulating Shampoo. The Revita High Performance Hair Stimulating Shampoo is a cutting-edge formula designed to combat thinning hair and promote hair growth. This shampoo is packed with powerful ingredients that work together to improve the overall health of the hair and scalp. It's a top choice for those looking for a high-performance solution to hair thinning. Key features: Revita's shampoo is formulated with a unique blend of active ingredients, including caffeine, biotin, ketoconazole, and apple polyphenol. These ingredients are known for their ability to stimulate hair follicles, reduce scalp inflammation, and promote thicker, fuller hair growth. The formula is also sulfate-free, making it gentle on the hair and scalp. Benefits and usage: the Revita High Performance Hair Stimulating Shampoo offers numerous benefits, including increased hair density, reduced hair shedding, and improved scalp health. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp for 1 to 2 minutes, and leave on for an additional 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. For best results, use this shampoo regularly as part of your hair care regimen. Usability: this shampoo is suitable for all hair types, particularly for those with thinning hair or scalp concerns. The sulfate-free formula is gentle enough for daily use and is especially beneficial for those with sensitive scalps or color-treated hair. The stimulating properties of this shampoo make it a great choice for anyone looking to boost hair growth and thickness. Durability: the Revita High Performance Hair Stimulating Shampoo comes in a robust bottle that keeps the formula fresh and effective over time. A single bottle provides ample product for several weeks of use, depending on how often you shampoo your hair. The long-lasting effects of improved hair density and scalp health make this shampoo a durable solution for those battling thinning hair. And finally, at number 5, we have PURA Original Gold Label Anti-Thinning Shampoo. The PURA Original Gold Label Anti-Thinning Shampoo is a trusted and popular choice for those dealing with thinning hair. This shampoo is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients designed to reduce hair thinning, promote hair strength, and improve overall scalp health. It's a top-rated product that has helped countless individuals achieve thicker, fuller hair. Key features: the PURA Original Gold Label Shampoo features a powerful formula that includes biotin, argan oil, and a proprietary blend of 17 herbal DHT blockers. These ingredients work together to reduce hair thinning, strengthen hair strands, and improve scalp circulation. The formula is also free from harsh chemicals, making it safe and gentle for all hair types. Benefits and usage. This shampoo offers a range of benefits, including reduced hair thinning, increased hair volume, and improved scalp health. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp and hair, and leave on for 2 minutes before rinsing. For optimal results, it's recommended to use this shampoo consistently as part of your hair care routine. Usability. The PURA Original Gold Label Anti-Thinning Shampoo is suitable for all hair types and is particularly beneficial for those experiencing hair thinning or scalp issues. The gentle, chemical-free formula makes it safe for daily use, and the nourishing ingredients help to keep hair strong and healthy. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to combat hair thinning naturally. Durability. This shampoo comes in a large, durable bottle that ensures the product remains fresh and effective. A single bottle provides enough product for several weeks of use, making it a cost-effective option for those committed to improving their hair's health and appearance. The long-lasting benefits of thicker, stronger hair make this shampoo a reliable solution for thinning hair. Choosing the right shampoo for thinning hair can make a significant difference in your hair care routine. Each of the shampoos we've discussed offers unique benefits, so consider your specific hair needs when making your choice. Whether you need something gentle for daily use or a high-performance formula to boost hair growth, there's a shampoo on this list that can help you achieve thicker, fuller hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and hair care tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.